Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Ling, and I'm here today to show you guys a little bit of behind the scenes of how I package my online orders. We're gonna be recording on my phone today, so it's gonna be a little bit glitchy, but stay tuned. So this is my little workstation. We're just getting started. It's a little bit messy, but you gotta do what you gotta work with. So this right here are our butterfly earrings that everybody so loves, our best sellers, and obviously our necklaces as well that everybody loves. I ordered these custom, and then right here you can probably can't even see it, but it says don't just look at the stars, be one. And then right here it just has our quote, happy shopping stylist. It's a little bit, my station's a little bit messy, but you get what you get. And then it has follow our favorite boutique, IG, Facebook, and of course our website. So the necklaces come in these. I have these little little stickers on the back that I can stick onto the back of the display cards. This is what I do. Stick it to the back, and this is one of our butterfly necklaces that I haven't launched yet. And what I do is just stick it into the hole. Very, very easy. Yeah, so it looks like that. And I just make sure the string just goes in the little sticky thing. Because, I hate it when you receive jewelry and they're all tangled up. So I think this way is very convenient, especially if you have double, triple layers, like chain necklaces. And they come like this. I got these little drawstring bags. It has our logo in it in gold and also has our website on the bottom. And then what I do is just, I put this thing in there. And then I grab some tissue paper, white, pink, lavender, any pastel colors, or if it's white, any of the lighter colors, that's what I use. And this is how I fold them. That way you see this little opening, and then you also see this little opening as well. So this is what I do. Place that in there, place the drawstring in there, little confettis, little gold confettis, and just drop them everywhere. And then I'll put that there. And then we also receive our new stickers, our gold stickers. So it just has our logo and of course stars, because that's what we are. Yep, and then we have our flyers. So it has our picture of our butterflies and of course stars on the front. And then it also has our name, obviously, and on the back, it just leaves me room so I could write personal messages. Sometimes I pre-write it, sometimes I won't. It just depends on that mood some days. And then here it just has, our name, our social media, website, and our Gmail, where you can also message us. So, thank you for your purchase. Are a Stella. Keep supporting small businesses. Oh my god.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
I cannot spell businesses. Y'all, look. Businesses. So you don't want to send this to somebody and they'd be like, oh, they can't spell businesses. So I'm not going to send that to them, and I'm just going to put that to the side because I can't spell apparently. Okay, and then we also have our profile cards where it looks like a little mini Instagram. It has, our information where it says online shopping, fast shipping, shop me, and then of course a little bio and a pictures. And then on the back it just has our colors and of course our logo. So I'll just put that there. We also have stickers to give out, like stickers, so I'll just put that there. you know, randomly. Sometimes I put 4 or 5, you know, it just depends. And you're done. That's it. This is the final look. You guys get stickers, you guys get confettis, flowers, and yeah, that's all you get. And yeah, so thanks you guys for watching this little short video of behind the scenes of how I package my orders. If you guys have any questions or any more videos you guys would like to watch, just, you know, message me or comment down on my social media, and you guys know where to find me. So yeah.